What is up, World Metal Peeps here? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's good to see you guys. I got two things for you this week. Drone footage and hanging out with my family. Let's go.
20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is the future.
It has been a great day. It's Sunday, so it's a relaxed day. I've been enjoying it, hanging out with my family. We're cooking right now. We got a little fire going on, so it's been a really good day, a really easy day, which I really love and I look forward to. I don't know about you guys, if you guys enjoy those easy days where you don't do very much. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little drone B-roll footage. I had a lot of fun filming it, and this was my first time ever flying a drone, so don't worry, I'm gonna get better. And expect to see more drone B-roll footage. It's a lot of fun. I'm only gonna get better with that drone, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a really fun time. But until then, I'm gonna go hang out with my family again, and see you guys soon.
You can't just suspend someone from work. Yeah, you're right. You know what? You're suspended too, Jen. Okay. Hi. You too, Dwight. Wait, what?
Why'd you lift your foot up so quick?
You should have grabbed his like, Tamer, help me. Like, Derek, run.
Don't tell me that shit. I've been gone, son. I've been gone.
Sweet, so that ends this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Go ahead and do a super jump on that like button down below, and also get subscribed to the YouTube channel. For every Wednesday is a brand new vlog. I'm Matt Abuse, the cinematographer, and I will see you guys in 7 days. Peace!